Did you know that over 13 million people visit the doctor each year for sore throats? Yet powerful remedies like turmeric, honey, ginger, and cloves may already be in your kitchen? Welcome to our 5-part series, Herbal Healing for Everyday Ailments. Today, we are exploring the science behind simple yet effective natural solutions for sore throats. Sore throats are among the most common health complaints, especially during colder months or allergy season. While over-the-counter treatments can ease symptoms, natural herbs and spices have been trusted for generations to promote healing and provide relief. Today, we'll focus on 4 simple and effective remedies: ginger, turmeric, honey, and cloves, explaining how they work, how to use them, and what precautions to take. However, if your sore throat persists for more than a few days, becomes severe, or is accompanied by symptoms like high fever or difficulty swallowing, it's essential to consult a healthcare provider. Sore throats can be caused by viral infections, like colds or the flu, bacterial infections, such as strep throat, environmental irritants like dry air or pollution, allergies, or vocal strain. These issues can lead to inflammation, dryness, pain, and even difficulty speaking or eating. While they're often not serious, sore throats can significantly disrupt daily life. This makes finding effective remedies vital, not just to relieve symptoms, but to address the root causes, such as inflammation or bacterial presence. Let's take a detailed look at why these 4 remedies work and how to use them effectively. Number 1. Ginger. Ginger is rich in compounds like gingerol, which has powerful anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. These compounds help reduce swelling in the throat and combat bacteria or viruses that may be contributing to the discomfort. Additionally, ginger has mild analgesic properties, making it helpful for pain relief. Slice fresh ginger, about 1 to 2 inches, and steep it in hot water for 10 minutes to create a soothing tea. Adding a teaspoon of honey can enhance the antibacterial effects and provide extra soothing power. People with acid reflux, peptic ulcers, or a sensitive stomach may experience irritation from ginger and should use it cautiously. Number 2 is turmeric. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It helps calm irritation in the throat and supports the immune system in fighting off infections. Turmeric also has mild antibacterial properties, making it useful for bacterial infections that may cause sore throats. Mix ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder with 1 tablespoon of honey to create a throat-soothing paste. Slowly swallow small amounts to coat the throat and reduce inflammation. Alternatively, add turmeric to warm milk for a comforting drink. Individuals taking blood thinners or those with gallbladder issues should consult a healthcare provider before using turmeric, as it can interact with certain medications. Number 3 is honey. Honey isn't just a natural sweetener, it's a natural antibacterial agent. It works by coating the throat, providing immediate soothing relief, while also inhibiting the growth of bacteria that could be causing the irritation. Honey has also been shown to stimulate tissue repair, aiding the healing process. Stir 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey into warm water or herbal tea for a simple remedy. For extra potency, combine honey with turmeric or ginger. Children under 1 year old should never consume honey due to the risk of botulism. Number 4. Cloves. Cloves contain eugenol, a compound with natural antiseptic and analgesic properties. Eugenol can numb pain in the throat, while also fighting bacteria and reducing inflammation. Cloves are particularly effective for sore throats caused by bacterial infections. Boil 3 to 4 whole cloves in water for 5 to 7 minutes to create a gargle solution. Let it cool to a comfortable temperature before gargling. Alternatively, chew on a single clove for temporary pain relief. Pregnant or breastfeeding individuals and those with bleeding disorders should avoid cloves or consult a healthcare provider before using them regularly, as cloves may have mild blood-thinning effects. By understanding the unique properties of each remedy, you can choose the one that best suits your symptoms and preferences. One of the most effective remedies is the honey turmeric paste. Scientific studies have demonstrated that curcumin in turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent, while honey's natural antibacterial properties make it ideal for soothing irritated tissues and fighting infection. Combining these ingredients creates a potent remedy that not only provides immediate relief, but also supports the body's natural healing process. Sore throats are common but manageable with natural remedies. Ginger reduces swelling and fights bacteria, Turmeric calms inflammation and supports healing. Honey soothes irritation and inhibits bacterial growth. And cloves relieve pain while acting as an antiseptic. These remedies offer accessible, effective options for mild to moderate symptoms. However, remember that persistent or severe sore throats should always be evaluated by a healthcare provider to rule out serious underlying conditions. Have you tried using ginger, turmeric, honey, or cloves for a sore throat? Share your experiences and favorite remedies in the comments. Be sure to check back for our next episode in the series Herbal Healing for Everyday Ailments. Herbs to ease menstrual cramps, your monthly ally. Thank you for watching. Please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. Check out our other videos and keep your body in balance with the Balanced Body Project.